Hi everyone, today we're driving in snow on a snow covered road. So I'm at the side of the road and I intend to leave, so I signal left, check my rear view mirror, left outside mirror and left shoulder, everything is clear. Then I go, and I have to be very light on the accelerator, otherwise I'll spin my tires. Now I want you to listen to something. I'm gonna put my brakes on and you'll hear a gurk, gurk, gurk. That's the brake. You don't have to be scared when you hear that. It's normal for this sound. So listen to this. Don't know if you could hear that. Yes, that's what happens when you're driving on slippery roads covered with snow, or even when it's just wet roads. Okay, we're making a right turn here at the stop sign, and we don't have a white line or sidewalk, so we go right out to the edge of the road in this case. Look to the left, there's a car with the signal on, but don't trust it. Make sure they turn in. And another one. And there's one making a left towards us. Let him go. I'm in no hurry because the roads are slippery. Easy for us to get into trouble. Alright, now as you can see, the roads are covered in snow. Make sure you have your windshield wiper going, and make sure you have sufficient windshield liquid in your reservoir, because you don't want to run out of windshield fluid. Okay, so as you can see, the roads are snow covered, but there's a path you can see where the tracks for the tires